Picture this because I think almost everyone has lived this exact moment. You open your phone, maybe just for a second, for a quick scroll, and then suddenly you see it. Someone your age who seems to be doing so much better. Someone younger going faster, climbing higher. Someone else living the life you thought you'd have by now. And just like that, without any warning, your entire mood changes, your day darkens. Not because your life actually got any worse, but simply because you looked sideways. This is English Tailies, and this story is for anyone out there who feels like they're behind in life, even though they're trying their absolute best every single day. Comparison is a quiet thief. It doesn't scream or announce its arrival. It just whispers. It slides into your thoughts and tells you that you're late, that you should be further along, that everyone else seems to have figured out some secret that you completely missed. And the most dangerous part? Comparison never, ever shows you the full picture. It's a master of deception. You only see the highlights, not the struggles. You see the polished results, not the messy, painful sacrifices that went into them. You see the finished chapters, not the difficult, uncertain, and often lonely beginnings. But your mind, in that moment of vulnerability, fills in all the gaps, and it almost always fills them in against you, making you the one who's falling short. Here's a hard truth, one that most people don't really want to accept. Comparison steals your focus. It's a hijacker for your attention. The very moment you start measuring your path against someone else's, you stop paying attention to your own. You take your eyes off your own road, and what happens then? Your progress slows down to a crawl. Your confidence, which you work so hard to build, starts to fade. That spark of motivation you had turns into a heavy, crushing pressure to keep up. You start to rush when you should be patient. You feel like quitting when things inevitably take longer than you expected. You even start chasing goals that were never truly yours to begin with, just because they look good on someone else. And slowly, bit by bit, you drift further and further away from the unique, authentic life you were meant to build for yourself. It's so important to remember that everyone has a different timeline. We all have different starting points. We carry different responsibilities, different burdens. We fight different battles behind closed doors that no one will ever see. Yet comparison is so convincing. It tricks you into believing that life is one big linear race and that you're losing. But life isn't a competition. It's not a race against others. It's a direction. It's a personal journey. You don't lose because someone else appears to be ahead of you. You only truly lose when you stop moving forward on your own path. Think about it. Most people don't feel bad because they're actually failing. They feel bad because they're constantly comparing their raw, unfiltered behind-the-scenes footage to someone else's perfectly curated highlight reel. But real growth, the kind that lasts, doesn't happen by looking sideways. It happens by consistently showing up to your own life. It happens one step at a time. One small habit at a time. One quiet improvement at a time that no one else sees or applauds. And that's okay. The applause you need is your own. And here's something really important to hold on to. The very people you're comparing yourself to, the ones who seem so far ahead, they once felt exactly like you do right now. They had moments of doubt. They felt behind. They questioned if they were good enough. The difference wasn't that they were magically better or luckier. The difference was that they learned to stay focused in their own lane. They measured their progress not by who someone else is today, but by who they were yesterday. That's the only comparison that matters. Are you better today than you were last week? Have you learned something new? Have you taken one small step forward? So the next time that feeling of comparison creeps in, and it will, I want you to just pause, take a breath, and ask yourself this one simple question. Is thinking about this helping me grow? Or is it just holding me back? Because the moment you consciously decide to stop comparing is the exact moment you start building something real and meaningful for yourself. Your journey doesn't need to look impressive to anyone else. It just needs to be honest. It needs to be true to you. Your pace doesn't need to be fast. It just needs to be consistent. And your definition of success doesn't need to match anyone else's. It needs to be yours and yours alone. If this story resonated with you, if it felt like I was speaking directly to you, take a moment and subscribe to English Tailies. These stories exist to help you let go of the weight of comparison, to build a sense of inner peace, and to help you focus on what truly matters. Your own unique and beautiful path. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next story.